So this is not going to take long at all. It's absolutely fabulous. Today we're going to make an egg curry, lovely spices, coconut milk, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got 5 hard-boiled eggs there, and in that same bowl I've got about 3 or 4 dried red chilies. Here I've got 2 cups of coconut milk. Here I've got 1 cup of onions. Here, chili powder, 2 teaspoons, and then 1 teaspoon each coriander, cumin, and turmeric. Some fresh curry leaves, if you can find them, they're marvelous. If not, try and get dried. Nothing else really replaces them, so if you can't find fresh or dried, you'll have to skip it. A heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh chili, entirely up to you the amount, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need a skillet, pan, or a wok thing like I have. Above medium heat, we're on. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil you want. I'm using sunflower today. A couple of teaspoons there of the cumin seeds. Some dried red chili, not fresh. And the curry leaves, you can get them, really fabulous. Very lucky where I am at the moment. We have these everywhere. They're very cheap and available pretty much everywhere. Some of you are going to find it a bit more difficult to find. Just a few seconds in here. We're infusing that oil, that's what's going on here, so don't skip this step. Then we're going to add that cup of onion, and we're going to go for 4 minutes, and I'll be stirring fairly often. Beautiful. Next up, let's add some salt. Let's add our fresh chili. Again, the chili entirely up to you, how much you want to put in. The ginger garlic paste, 50-50 mix of the two, that is. Now we're going to go with our powders. Let's just take another look, shall we? I've got 2 teaspoons of chili, 1 turmeric, 1 cumin, 1 coriander. In it goes. So easy, this dish. Now a couple of cups of coconut milk, in that goes. Let's put our eggs in. We're going to go to 4 to 5 more minutes. We've done it. It's beautiful. It's super easy. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm going to give this a little bit of cilantro or coriander. If you wanted some garam masala powder in there, check it for salt. Job done. Fabulous stuff. There you go. Fantastic. Just put a little bit more cilantro or coriander on the top there. Very simple, very beautiful, very tasty. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.